Hi, I'm Dr. Idaluca, and in our office, when you start up under care, you're going to hear one recommendation that's almost true across the board for all patients, and it's right here: water. Mine's almost gone here, but your chiropractor or your doctor can recommend how much water to drink. It depends on how big you are, how much you weigh, and many factors. The discs in your back, why do they need water? Why do we care? The disc in your back, the middle of the disc, is made up of mostly water, and then all the collagen in there. The same way that water helps your skin, it helps the disc. You want to keep your back moving better, you want to stay more flexible, more pliable, drink water. You want to keep that disc hydrated, it'll stay much healthier. So how much water is enough? Well, there's a lot of different guidelines, but generally about a ½ ounce of water for every pound that you weigh. And your body needs a lot of water, especially if you smoke, you don't eat right, or if you consume alcohol, your body needs even more water to help flush those toxins out of your system. So remember, it's right here. This will help your discs.